Welcome, everybody, to a discussion of division by zero with a special guest. Hey, guys, don't talk! I said don't talk, and you're. All right, today we will be. You ready?
Yeah.
Are you doing something?
No.
Okay. You ready?
Yeah.
Today we will be discussing the history, the implementation, and the practicality of. Yeah, practicality. It's not. It's not that practical of an idea. Sorry.
That's okay.
It's okay. We'll get into that. But first, my name's Thomas, and this is my guest. He's a Purdue undergrad studying mathematics.
Yeah, and you wouldn't believe it, but my name's almost Thomas too.
Yeah.
Pretty
No,
cool.
it's not. Yeah, it's not that big of a coincidence though, because we're the same person, and they can see that, right? So.
Right, yeah. Sorry about that. Sorry.
No.
That's true.
No. I'm
Yeah.
sorry. Sorry. Yeah.
It's okay. It's all right.
To be honest, I thought more people would be interested in this topic. I don't know. I kind of wanted somebody else to be here, and
That's great. Thanks.
I don't know. I apologize. I mean, you did recently do a project on this, and you do seem to be very knowledgeable about it. So, you know, I do think a conversation between the two of us could be beneficial.
Yeah, I do too. Yeah.
Yeah. I appreciate you coming. Thank you.
No, it's okay. Do you want to start this over?
No, it's okay. I don't think anybody's gonna see us but my professor. So, yeah.
What are you
Can I-
studying?
Math.
Oh, what a
Yeah.
coincidence, huh?
Yeah. Yeah. Definitely.
Yeah.
Could I get you a drink?
Yeah, what do you got?
Diet Coke. I know that.
That's
yeah.
my favorite, so
Hey.
yeah.
Yeah, mine too.
Oh, cool.
Nice. Okay.
What a
I'll get
coincidence.
you a Diet Coke. Why don't you just talk more about you, maybe the project, and
Okay, I can do that.
Yeah, I'll be right back.
Yeah. Yeah. So, yeah. I guess what I was talking about earlier is that dividing by zero is not that practical, right? Of an idea, it's not. It's more of an obstacle than something we use in a meaningful way. I mean, there's theory and there's practical applications for math, and it definitely lies more in Alright.
the theory. Thank you. Appreciate that.
So what are we talking about? You cut me off earlier.
Okay.
So
Yeah, I didn't mean to cut you off.
Yeah.
I just kind of have a structure for how I'm doing things, and yeah, I'd appreciate it if you followed that, if that's okay.
yeah, my bad. Didn't know you had a structure. So
Thank you. Yeah.
what do we
We
start?
start with the history, right? Do you know anything about the history or the start of zero?
Yeah, I do.
Cool.
I do,
Could
actually.
you tell me more about that?
Absolutely. Yeah, math was first identified as a mathematical concept
And,
by Brahmagupta.
What is a mathematical concept?
Yeah. So, okay, it's important to understand the different interpretations of zero. There's the intuitive interpretation of zero.
Having no Diet Cokes in your fridge, zero Diet Cokes, right?
Yep, exactly. And then there's a more absolute sense of zero, like in my hand, there's nothing, but there's air, there's oxygen, nitrogen, and stuff like that. So zero can represent a point of absolute nothing. There's the placeholder zero, like the 0 and 10, and then there's the mathematical zero, right, where it has it's defined, it has rules, and can be used. Like 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 times 0 is 0. Yeah, but then
What about
we sort of get into
what about division by zero?
yeah, right. So we sort of get into division by zero, and things don't really make sense when we try to divide by zero. If you try to think about it intuitively, if you have one Diet Coke, how many of no Diet Cokes fit into that one Diet Coke?
What about,
It's a bit, you know, yeah, it's tough. It's a hard problem.
about infinity? Infinity.
Yeah, I mean, but an infinite amount of nothing's still nothing, right?
Yeah. Yeah, that's a
Yeah.
good point. So, yeah. What is it? The answer.
What's what? What's what?
The answer to 1 divided by 0.
Oh, yeah, no. Currently it stands as undefined.
Okay, so what does that mean?
Okay, watch your tone first.
Cool.
But yeah,
Right,
it
sorry.
means we haven't really solved the problem yet. So
I mean,
we
it's
don't
been,
really
what,
have.
500 years? No one's come up with anything?
Yeah, more like 5,000. But yeah, pretty much. We haven't really solved it.
Yeah,
It's
okay.
more-
Well, you're a mathematician. Have you
Yeah.
have you tried solving the problem?
Yeah, you know, I don't think I could meaningfully solve a problem that we've collectively agreed
Yeah.
has no
Some
solution.
mathematician, huh?
Wow.
Won't even try.
Yeah, have you tried though? Something that thousands of people before you have tried.
I mean,
and
More like millions, right?
okay. Yeah,
But
that's good.
no, I haven't.
Then shut up. How about that?
Okay, great. Wow. Okay. You know, we're the same person, right? So everything I know about the topic, you know about the topic. So I've
Yeah,
been trying
well,
to be nice by pretending and letting you inform me about these
Uh-huh.
things.
Yeah, you barely
Okay,
understand.
well,
it,
so
though.
do you, right?
Okay.
So let's
Fair
move
enough.
on.
To what?
The structure. I already told you. We're following.
Ah.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you would have told me about the structure, maybe we could have been
Okay,
on the
you
same
don't need to
page
know
about
about
it.
the structure. Okay. I need to know
I
about
beg
it.
to differ.
But Jesus, okay. Let's move on, huh? Yeah.
To what?
Yeah.
What are we moving on
Actually,
to?
to what you've been wanting to talk about from the start is the practicality.
Okay, what about it?
Okay. What is it useful? Can it? Is there ways to use this problem or make it useful?
I mean, there's the Schwarzschild metric. If you want to.
Okay, you don't need to prompt that, but yeah, here it is. Wow, it looks complicated.
Yeah, it is pretty complicated, but I guess let's just focus on one metric actually, which would be, or one little coefficient, the RS over R. So R kind of represents the distance from the center of a black hole,
All right. So what?
right? So when that's 0, we sort of get this natural representation of a divide by 0 problem at the center of a black hole. So nature kind of agrees, like, we don't understand what happens at the center of a black hole. We also don't understand
Great.
what happens when we divide by 0. So, you know,
Yeah, that's interesting.
pretty interesting. Yeah, I think so.
Right. Is there any other implications of using?
I mean, if
I
you
don't
don't know,
know.
I
I
don't
mean,
know. So,
Yeah. Can we use it anywhere else? I mean, you could talk about. Okay, great. Yeah.
I don't know.
mean,
What do you
we
want?
could talk about the creation of 0, how it turned mathematics from a language of symbols to a more abstract language.
Kind of. I don't know.
Yeah. I mean, do you want to talk about that at all?
No, not really. I mean, you've been kind of rude to me this whole time, so I don't really
Okay.
want to talk about anything else. if I'm
Okay,
honest.
great.
So
Whatever. Okay. Well, we forgot to do the introduction, so let's do that.
What do I do for that?
Yeah, how about you just sit there and I'll do it, and
Great.
then you can
Can
be
do.
free.
Sounds great.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
Welcome, everybody, to a discussion of division by 0 with a special guest. Don't
Hey,
talk!
guys.
I said don't talk, and you're... You know that poster you made? I'm pretty sure it was your poster.
No, it wasn't. It looked like a child drew it. That's what it looked like. It looked like a
It
child
was.
did it.
We kind of
So,
both did it. I mean,
Not really.
What? I mean, this is stupid.
We done?
We're done. We're done. This is
Great.
so. Get out of here.